What's up, everyone? It's your boy Anqelrudeeboy coming back to you with another video. I wanted to give you guys all an update on what's going on with the car. So for those that don't know, I did install a VRSF downpipe on the car, and this is to my 2023 BMW M440i xDrive. And the downpipe is great. It sounds really well. It performs very well. It gives the car a nice little aggressive tone to it, but it also gives it a little bit of that power that you're looking for, right? Because there's more airflow coming through. Unfortunately, we did get a check engine light. We took the car back to the shop. We got O2 spacers installed. We did one spacer at the bottom of the downpipe. Initially, it took the check engine light away. We get the check engine light on again, and we took the car back to the shop. They had to take the downpipe off because in order to get to the second O2 spacer, there was no clearance in order for them to install it to the downpipe. So they had to take the downpipe off to install the spacer, and the car started to misfire the minute they did that. I don't recommend you guys installing an O2 spacer at the top of the downpipe because you're gonna have the same issue that I had. And if you know any way around that, please let me know in the comments. So we tried everything possible to make the downpipe work, and unfortunately we were not able to do so. So we invested some money and we were able to get the Active Auto Works downpipe. So guys, stay tuned for the next video as we install the new Active Auto Works downpipe, and hopefully we get the check engine light turned off for good. This downpipe is going to be a catted downpipe. It does open up the airways for the vehicle to get more flow into the turbo, so it does produce more power. They're saying it produces anywhere between 18 and 25 more horsepower to the car, so that's what we're looking for. Stay tuned. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it does help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.